Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to add a footer to your Google Doc. There are a few ways to do that. One of the quickest ways is to go down to the bottom of your page. It doesn't matter, first page, second page, just go to the bottom of a page and double click it. Now, if that doesn't work for you, another option is to go to Insert, scroll down until you get to Headers and Footers, and select Footer. Here you can add whatever you want to your footer. You can say this footer page, and then select the page number. So I'm going to say footer page and then page number. It's going to say footer page 1. If I scroll down to my second page, it's going to say footer page 2. I can go and I can delete the footer in their page or whatever and just say footer 2 and scroll up. It's going to say footer 2. So whatever I add in, doesn't matter what page I added in, it's always going to apply to every other page. You do have the option to make the first page different. So page 1 can be unique. So my page 1 is now going to be unique, and I'm just going to add in an image. I already have an image ready to go. It's going to be this little lightning bolt right here. And if I go to the second page, it's not going to be there because lightning bolt's only going to be on the footer of the first page. So if I scroll down, you can see it still says footer page 2. Now there's more options you can work with. If you want to go to options and you can go to footer format, you can make some modifications here. You can change the white space of the footer. So right now we have 0.5 inches from bottom. If I want to make it a little bit tighter to the bottom, have some more space on that page, I can make this 0.25 or something like that, whatever you want. And now it's going to make my footer a little bit tighter. See, it's a little bit further down now. And that's a quick video on how to add a footer to your Google Docs. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you all in future quick videos.